As you see every year, the Texas Department of Public Safety is putting more troopers out on the roads. They say they will patrol around the clock looking for drivers who are drunk, distracted, or speeding. Of course, they are reminding you to take extra precautions when traveling on the roads. You might remember that Thanksgiving holiday continues to be the most traveled of the year.
Just be aware of your first responders, EMS, fire, police officers, state troopers, and record drivers, especially working crashes and on the side of the road. Make sure you follow and obey the move over law. Make sure that you slow down too while you're going around that.
And during the Thanksgiving holiday last year in Texas, troopers say they issued more than 73,000 citations. Those included more than 300 drunk driving arrests.